This is taken on the 16th of February, dripping down near the wires, showing down to the ground, and then of course along the wall here through to here, and then over coming through the wall. In the middle of the wall seems a bit ominous to me. And of course underneath these lockers along here, the water is up behind, coming through. These waterways are full. Of course the water doesn't go uphill, and that trough goes uphill, so the water doesn't go there, and it goes the whole way along. Along here, which is supposed to not leak at all, is leaking very well. It has been resealed, but it is re-rusting on the joists and further along.